Buenos tardes, amigos. This is pro tip number 127 for staying at an all-inclusive resort. Right now, I am at an all-inclusive resort in Mexico, and I call this The Move. So it applies to the all-you-can-eat buffets. The one here it's okay, but the tacos are amazing, and they have a whole taco station. And what makes the tacos amazing is the fresh corn tortillas, and they grill them nice and warm. Basically, they only make one kind of taco per meal, uh, and that's it. So this is my move, and I started doing it in Las Vegas, and I'll explain what I do in Las Vegas as well. So instead of getting the whatever taco they're going to prepare, you get the guy to heat up the corn tortillas, but just the corn tortillas. Then I went over to the grilled meat section, and I had him cook me a steak, and I cut up the steak and made my own steak tacos. And I started doing this in Las Vegas, like when I go to seafood buffets. Like I used to go to the Rio, and they'd have like lobster, and I get lobster tails, and then I'd go to the taco station and make my own lobster tacos. And I do this for shrimp, and today I did it for steak. So that is the move. So I call that pro tip number 127 for staying at all inclusive resort. Make sure you subscribe to Chappie's Tiki Bar. Hit the notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.
Bon appetit, Governor's Day.
What's this?
This is guacamole.
The green one's very hot.
Guacamole is spicy.
This one's very hot.
Just one?
I like spicy, but that one was too hot. This is wanted. I don't know. Yes, what's your name?
My name is Luis, executive chef.
Ah, very good.
Thank you, sir.